How to fix Roblox in Microsoft Store is not working. So if you hit the play button and Roblox is not starting up from Microsoft Store, or you cannot play the game, here's how to fix it for Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. So first you will need to right click on the start button and then click on apps and features or installed apps for Windows 11. And then you want to search for Roblox here. Now you will need to click on advanced options under it and then scroll down and under terminate, hit the terminate button. And then you will need to hit the repair button under reset and then click on reset and then click on reset again and wait for it to reset the app. Now you can basically close this window and restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, you can basically launch Roblox or open Microsoft Store and then go to the library and just launch Roblox from here. And now you should just be able to play the game again. You'll need to sign into your account if you're not already signed in. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you on the next one.